if the Siri animation is not working on your iPhone. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now, there are two main animations for Siri. The first animation is the classic Siri animation, which is the circle at the bottom of the screen. And the second animation is the new Siri animation, which is the Apple Intelligence animation, in which the borders of your iPhone will start glowing when you enable Siri. Now, if you're trying to enable Apple Intelligence or the new Siri, but if the borders are not glowing on your iPhone and instead if you see this animation, now to fix this issue, just go to Settings and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now from here, just enable the toggle for Apple Intelligence. Now after you do that, now just wait for a few seconds for Apple Intelligence to download on your iPhone. And also keep in mind that Apple Intelligence is only supported on newer iPhones, like from iPhone 15 or later, and the iOS version must be iOS 18 or later. Now after you enable Apple Intelligence, now just try to enable Siri and check if the new animation is showing or not. If the new animation is not showing, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, after the force restart process is completed, then just check if the new Siri animation is working or not. As you can see, the new Siri animation is working on our iPhone. But if it is still not working, then just go to Settings, and in Settings, just tap on Accessibility. Tap on Motion. Now, if Reduce Motion is enabled on your iPhone, just disable Reduce Motion from here. And after you do that, then just go back and tap on General. Tap on Software Update and check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. But if this also did not work, then just go back to the General Settings, and from here just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and from here just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset All Settings. And by doing that, you will reset all the settings of your iPhone. And this option will not delete any data of your iPhone. It will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. Now, if you want to enable Siri using your voice, just go back to the main settings page and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Select Talk and type to Siri. Now, if it is on off, just select Hey Siri. But if it is already on Hey Siri, just select off, then tap on Hey Siri one more time. Select Continue. Now just say the following sentences. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Then tap on Done. Now from here, just select Not Now. And after you do that, you will be able to use Siri using your voice by just saying, Hey Siri. As you can see, we have successfully enabled Siri on our iPhone. Now, if you want to use the old Siri animation, which is the circle on the bottom of the screen, then for that, just go to Settings. And under Settings, just tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri and disable Apple Intelligence. And after you disable the toggle, then tap on Turn off Apple Intelligence. Now, if you say, Hey Siri, as you can see, the old animation is showing and you have disabled the new Siri animation, just like that. And this is how you can fix the Siri animation not working on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.